Yes, people, this is Jaskill for ready to send out some positive vibes, you see me? To the NGC movement, Freetown, Sierra Leone. United we stand united. Listen this. KKY, 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 we make we vote, y'all. KKY, KKY, KKY. Unu vote NGC KKY for positive change now we land bo. NGC KKY for transformation as alone. Unu vote NGC KKY for positive change now we land yeah. NGC KKY for transformation as alone. Il out one day ya. We hear we say the lion boss na the tongue. NGC KKY is the way to positive change now we land. Because the standard of living as alone can make young people they die. Health and sanitation, environmental protection, land and housing. Unu vote NGC KKY for positive change now we land. Boom! NGC KKY for transformation as alone yo. Unu vote NGC KKY for positive change now we land yeah. NGC KKY for transformation as alone. Also, the red and green box up we land. Long time since the days of independence. Tell now people you not open them still they follow the flow. Tribalism in politics don't confuse we country. The future is at stake. So make we vote NGC, make we vote KKY. United we stand up united. Unu vote NGC KKY. Positive change now we land. Boom! NGC KKY for transformation as alone yo. Unu vote NGC KKY for positive change now we land. NGC KKY for transform. Listen people, make we vote Kanda Keller, yeah? This is the man we fit to do the job. You understand? The man come with wisdom, knowledge and understanding to change we nation and to make it better for the children yet unborn. We want to go home. We want to stay and live back in Freetown in our land that we love. So this is the right time to make the right choice. Unu vote NGC KKY. Positive change now we land. Boom! People, one love, NGC all the way. Blessed movements, yeah? Just skillful. Bless up. One love.